Yeah, my name is Roberto Alejandro Reyes.
My name is Kai Tai. I'm Bernie Cartago.
Hello, I'm Maylene Montoya.
I'm Ellen Hernandez.
I'm Lita Gorgonio.
Hello everyone, I'm Tara Menpin.
My name is Geronimo Catalon, but my friends and co-workers call me Terry.
My name Phúc Tran.
Hi, I'm Samuel Perez.
My name Ben Ha.
Engineering team lead. I've been here for 10 years.
I'm an electronic technologist. I have been working here for 22 years. And my position here is rig operator. I'm working here for almost 10 years.
I'm working at material department and I've been working here 14 years now.
I'm the group lead of materials and I've been working here for 11 years.
I'm doing the testing on all the PCB boards here, and I've been here for 11 years.
I'm doing SMT operator.
Yeah, so I'm working in DSM for 11 years. I started 2014. This is my first job in Canada. And I'm in the process engineering technologies under Ben Pong.
I'm a SMT operator, and I'm work in DSM over 20 years already.
I've been here in DSM for almost 20 years, and it's great to work here.
I work at DSM 13 years.
Challenge.
Learning. This company is flexible.
I can describe DSM as pleasant and adaptable working place.
It's gonna be motivating.
Quality is always the number one.
DSM gives me a lot of opportunity.
If you understand, you can work good quality.
Stubborn. Is that a talent? Sometimes helps.
I'm not like Celine Dion or something, but I can sing.
Singing and quite a little bit dancing.
Troubleshooting is one of my favorite jobs, and I've been working this for, I don't know, pretty much my whole career now. Culture here is nice. Everything is, you look like in your family.
They're all friendly. Everybody here is friendly.
For the culture, it's like friendly. And then it's not like only a friends, it's like a family as well.
We do care on everything here. Whatever we do care. We built a good relationship to any of the workers here, and most especially to our client, because we always make sure and we always aim that we deliver all the products in a good terms and on time. Well, everybody here is a team. When you call it a team, they cooperate, they communicate to each other. Like we always happy, we always have fun to do. Like we always, sometimes, Christmas, whenever there's occasions, we always create something like potluck to get everybody together and have fun.
I love supporting the line, especially for support, to support the line and for troubleshooting.
People around us, because they're all good people here. They treat us sister or brothers. Yeah.
Happy 25th anniversary DSM.
Happy 25-year anniversary DSM. From now on in the future, I hope our company getting bigger and bigger and more customers.
To Dwayne and Shannon, big thank you for you guys, and then thank you so much.
Thank you.
For Dwayne and Shannon, happy 25th year anniversary. More years to come, and good luck.
Thank you so much for that, Dwayne, Shannon, everybody that's involved in DSM. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to know ourselves, to meet other people, to know them, to have a good relationship with them.
I'd like to greet DSM their 25th
anniversary.
Happy anniversary, the only 25, the company happy.
Dwayne is a Superman.
Superman.
Oh, Superman.
He can be a Superman.
I think my boss for sure is superhero because I worked with him very long.
Maybe he's Superman.
I'm guessing that he would like to make everybody in the company happy. And that's not an easy job. So maybe superhero can do it.
The first day I just walk in and I met the receptionist, beautiful young lady, Kelsey, and she's still working with us after 22 years. And then at the same day, they hired me at the spot and next day I start my work.
Well, at the time I was looking for a job. So, there's an opportunity. So I applied. And my first, when I saw the resume, the application for it, I knew it was meant for me. So I applied right away. And so I got it. Yeah, I was very happy at the time.
When I joined in 2005, June to be exact, there was 3 people in engineering. So the very obviously is the size of our team now that we've grown to include upwards of 14 people, including the maintenance staff. So.
Well, back in 2000, Dwayne and I were working for Novotel GPS, who's one of our customers. So Dwayne was the director of operations for the company, and he saw an opportunity for us to open up a CM. So we approached Sherman Cunningham. He's our financer and our business partner. And we approached John Geisler, and we started from there.
Our vision basically back when we started the company was to provide the services and capabilities that were currently at that time available to Tier 1 OEMs, the largest companies, and provide that to medium-sized companies. So what it meant for us was to build and buy high-end equipment, high-end capability, and also look at hiring very skilled and experienced people right off the bat. So it worked out very well for us. By the end of our first year, we had Novotel, Vesma, and ARAM as customers. So we had a very successful year and a very successful start to the company. And it's continued through to this day.
Well, it sort of all started 2011, I guess, with oil and gas really booming here in Calgary, having a hard time finding buyers. Was sort of the biggest driver. So 2012, we started a procurement center in Arizona and had a team of up to five buyers down there purchasing for our facility here. And then 2015, we were looking for expansion. We tested the acquisition market, had a look at what was around in various areas. In the US, since we already had something established in Arizona, it was easy transition, sort of just to go find a building, transfer some equipment down, and begin as a greenfield operation.
It's a big change. When we started as only few people and one SMT machine, and now we have close to more than one, I'd say 150, close to 200 people. But we have 4 SMT lines and amazing DSM team.
I love, people here, all my colleagues, and, it's very friendly, and we collaborate with each other. Coming in here is like a second home every day, coming to work.
What's kept me really motivated is the challenges, the self-learning. So challenges meaning, with the technical side, supporting customers and their products, as well as working with the different people externally and internally. Ingrained in me as the most challenging one was when I was made manager in 2014, and I was given the task to install a new ASM line, production line. It included SMT, everything from start to finish at SMT, Essentially, this project involved a relayout of the entire plant, as well as dealing with contractors, the electricians, the HVAC people, to make sure everything's coordinated. So when the equipment arrives, we're on schedule and the project plan executed as expected.
I'm very happy and I'm proud to be part of it, and like in the making of history, and to be part of DSM, as a family, and be with the group, and I hope DSM will last longer, and and more happiness to come, and more celebration.
So most proud of me is I have a really good relationship with my I say employers Dwayne, John, Shannon. I can stop them anytime, anywhere if I need to ask question. I don't need to go with usually we say you have to go group lead this and that, but I can talk direct if any concern or anything. We can they are really supportive. So that's I'm more proud of.
Well, I'd say probably the thing I'm most proud of is that we're a major employer for Calgary in the technical industry. So that's probably one of our biggest achievements. And just the opportunity of working with so many talented people over the years, which many of them are still employed with us to this day.
I would have to say our long-term customers and our long-term employees, right? I think that bodes really well to say how and what we do as a company is probably what I'm most proud of.
Over 25 years, the stats say that basically less than 5% of companies, startup companies, make it to 25 years. So we're very, very proud of that from that perspective, because it has been a challenge. It hasn't been smooth sailing the whole time. But overall, we've had great customers through the years, and we've also had obviously a very strong team over the years. And that's really what's made the difference, is having the people and the team and the right resources to make it all happen. So very proud of that.
So we are very excited to celebrate, right? Celebrating our milestone, but this milestone wouldn't be possible without our amazing DSM team. So happy anniversary of all our DSM employees and DSM team.
All right, well, I just want to congratulate DSM on their 25th anniversary. It's been quite a ride. I'm happy to continue being on this ride and journey. And to my kids, thank you for giving me the opportunity to have this cool job, because they tell me all the time that my job's more cool than Mom's job.
I would just say it's been great, a great opportunity to work with so many wonderful, talented people, and the people at DSM are who we are as a company, and without them, we wouldn't be as successful as we have been over the past 25 years, and thank you.
The biggest one would be, a thank you to Dwayne and Shannon for giving me this opportunity, and Sherman, of course. And thank you to my family, because it's, there's been a lot of time and effort that's gone into everything, and they've been a big part of that all the way through it. So.
Well, like I said, the 25 years, there's been some ups and downs through, lots of challenges. And the fact that we're here today and celebrating this event tonight is really, kudos to our staff. We've had great customers, as I said, and we really invested a lot of the equipment and things like that through the years to make sure we could meet our customers' needs. But overall, it's the team, it's the employees that are building the product. Everybody supports all the process to make sure the product gets out. That's really what it comes down to. So it's really a big thank you to everybody that's here tonight. We really, really appreciate what you guys have done for us, and thank you. Thank you so much.